Hi, it's Jerry. Welcome back. Today on this episode, what we're going to be doing is a little bit of air purification maintenance. Now, I know that, as everyone is well aware, COVID has taught us a few things. One is that it's good to breathe good, clean air. And here in the apartment industry, that's very important because we have a lobby where having one of these helps filter out some of the weird odors or smoke or anything that may come in from outside and possibly spread to other residents in the building. So it's been about a year, and it's time for us to go ahead and do our annual maintenance on our HEPA air filtration system by Honeywell, and so I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, you want to unplug your air purification system, and then you're going to remove the front cover, and that will reveal your first filter, which is the Prefilter. This is the filter A that goes on top here. We're going to go ahead and remove this, and we're just going to go ahead and throw this away. I would not advise trying to rinse any parts like this. I would just go ahead and get rid of it. And here we have the annual change filter R's, which are in here. There's 3 of those, so you'll need to order 3 of these, and they are pretty gross. You can actually see dirt all the way built up around these. So we're going to go ahead and remove those and get rid of those as well. Now that you've got all the filter apparatus out, go ahead and give the machine a quick cleaning. You can use something like Lysol or some kind of a disinfectant spray just to go ahead and spray around the edges and spray off the top and get all the inside parts cleaned up where there may have been any dust, dirt, or mildew that's built up on the inside of this cleaner. So we're going to do that, and I'm also going to go over the grate on the outside, and you can rinse that off in a shower or just spray it and wipe it down. Now that your machine is all wiped down and disinfected, you can go ahead and start installing your new filters. Now, these are the R filters. These are not ones that were from Honeywell. These are just ones that we bought offline that were a little bit less expensive. That part is not as important, but you do want to make sure that you get an actual HEPA certified filter for your main filters that you're going to be leaving in there for the year. So we have purchased 3 of these, and they've come sealed in a pack, and on each side they do show which direction the air is supposed to flow on these. And so you're going to place all 3 in their appropriate spots, and they should fit fairly snug. An optional filter that we've decided to do this year is going to be this one that's listed up here called the S filter, which is a pet and smoke filter. This is an active carbon filter that's going to go on there that comes vacuum sealed. These we did purchase that are actually Honeywell branded filters, and they actually sit on top of these other filters. We're going to put a link down below to all these different filters as we purchased them on Amazon so that you can check them out for yourself. But these are a good quality. They've got a little felt backing on them and have the little tabs for you to be able to remove them later, but they will fit directly over the top of these other ones in here like that. And I'm going to go ahead and put all 3 of those in. And then lastly, you've got the A filter that we threw away from the beginning. It is just a pre-carbon filter, just a loose filter that fits over the top of all of this. This will catch the hair and some of the big dust particles and so forth, and it will clip in. There's little clips on the front side of this that it will just clip in here. And that is the last filter that we're going to have to put on here. It will be a little loose, and it will be bent when you get it in the box, so it won't sit up there just perfect, but again, it's just more or less a pre-filter that goes on there. And then you're going to take your front piece that you've had cleaned, place it on there, and it will stick back onto the front, ready to be plugged back in, and you should be good for another 3 months to a year on most of those filters. Now, it's important to do this regularly because if not, your air filters will not perform as they should, and we all know it's important to breathe clean air. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please feel free to like and subscribe and check out those links below. We'd love to hear from you in the comment section too, and we'll see you next time.